For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India's benchmark index Sensex 30 ended marginally in the red, down 46 points at 34,916 points. However, the benchmark had something positive to offer investors as 16 of the BSE broader market stocks actually doubled during the last 3 months ended June 30th. Shares of PSU Bharat Dynamics ended Tuesday up 11% at 333 rupees 45 paise on the Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE. A total of 3.3 lakh shares changed hands. The company reported a 141% year-on-year rise in net profits at 310 crore rupees. The revenues rose 64% year-on-year at 1,435.39 crore rupees. The Indian rupee ended at 75.5 against the US dollar on Tuesday. On Monday, the rupee had closed at 75.58. The rupee opened 75.51 and continued to rally, hitting an intraday high of 75.45. However, a stronger dollar capped additional gains. Just 5 government-owned banks, led by the State Bank of India, are having maximum amount of loans under moratorium. SBI itself is sitting on over 5.5 lakh crore rupees worth of these loans under moratorium. However, there is no standard format of disclosure that these banks have followed in terms of these disclosures. Broking firm Motilal Oswal expects private lender HDFC Bank to benefit as bank customers seek the flight to safety. While the loan book is expected to witness a 16% compounded growth, the bank's profitability is expected to rise 9% on a compounded basis. The loan book has grown 22% in the last 5 years. Cab aggregator Ola has introduced a tipping facility for its drivers. Customers who avail the service can either give a fixed or customized amount, which would be given the full amount. This move is aimed to improve the earnings of the drivers. This facility is meant for drivers in India, UK, Australia, besides New Zealand. The Bilaspur division of the South Central Railways recently launched an Anaconda train. The train, which comprised of 3 loaded trains, carried a total freight of 15,000 tons. It ran through the Bilaspur division to the Chakradharpur division of the South Central Railways. Indian personal protection equipment or PPE makers are eyeing the export market. India's PPE production has hit 8 lakh units on a daily basis. It was 0 4 months ago. Most of the PPEs are manufactured by apparel making units. Pakistan PPE makers recently secured a $100 million order. Global crude oil prices could soften further amidst news that a truce is in the offing in Libya, one of the large oil producers. Libya hasn't been able to produce any oil due to civil war in the country. Libya has capacity to produce nearly 1% of the global supply. Libya hasn't been supplying since January this year.